Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a full cabin tour of a 1-bedroom suite. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and is absolutely huge.
And this is a concierge cabin, so you do have access to the concierge for all of your trip planning, and you also have that concierge lounge, and of course, like she said, the room is huge and absolutely beautiful.
Let's go check it out.
Actually got a doorbell on the outside of the door right here because we're in the concierge suites. So as we go into the room, you'll see this is much different than most other staterooms here on the ship. We've got lots of storage space. We've got some closets over here on the right, but first we have a bathroom over here. Really good sized bathroom. We've got a vanity there, and you have a few little shelves in the corner. You do have the liquid hand soap as well as the lotion. We also have some of the spa products as well, and you can see there are some outlets on the wall there for plugging up your hair dryer and other hair accessories. We have a walk-in shower in here with a glass door, and this walk-in shower has a detachable shower head there and those refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash like they typically have with the H2O products there. And then going into the room, we have these closets here. A couple of them are smaller closets. Over here, just a little bit of space, some hanging space there. You've got a shelf, a little bit of storage down below, as well as some extra blankets. And then on the other side of us here, we have the other small closet, just like that one. A little bit of hanging space and some storage down below. This one has some drawers. And then the larger closet is right over here on the right. This has the most space. It is actually a walk-in closet. Got a full-length mirror on the right. You've got storage up top along with your life vests. You have some nice plush robes, and you have the hanging space there. You also have some drawers and a safe. And as we come into the living room area of the suite here, you can see we've got lots of space, lots of places to sit as well. Some beautiful artwork on the wall on the left. We do have a Murphy bed here that the stateroom host can pull down if you need to utilize that. There's some glassware over there in those little cubbies, a little piece of art there on the wall, and a writing desk here. They do have some really nice concierge paper towels there. And then you have some outlets in the wall, and you have some USB outlets as well as the traditional wall outlets. And then across the room, we have the sitting area where you do have a curtain to partition things off if you'd like to. And that couch does pull out into a full-size bed. And they have these chairs over here as well for you. You've got the small little entertainment center, and you have the TV there. Really good sized TV on the wall. There is a door to the veranda there, but we're gonna come back to the veranda in just a moment. First, we're gonna go check out the bedroom. You can see we have these sliding pocket doors all the way around, so you can close off the bedroom if you'd like to, of course. And over on the left, we do have the master bath. And this is beautiful. We have a huge, huge tub here. It is a jetted tub, so that's really nice to have. And we have a double vanity over here, beautiful sinks. We've got some more of that liquid hand soap as well as the different spa products over in the corner. Some storage in the shelving there, as well as some drawers down below the vanity. And we have over here, inside this door, we've got our toilet, and there's a small trash can in there. And we also have a walk-in shower in here, just like we have in the other bathroom. This one is a little bit larger. You can see, does have that same detachable shower head and those same H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash products. And heading into the bedroom, you can see we have a large TV built into the wall here. So you do have 2 TVs in the room. We also have a queen size bed with a very large quilted headboard there, really, really nice and plush. They've got storage down underneath for your luggage, and on each side of the bed, there are a couple things. We've got some lamps. We also have some outlets down underneath the little shelf there, and a small drawer that does have a little hidden Mickey on the drawer pull. And then over on the left, we have a small little makeup area with a mirror and a little stool. There is a drawer there with another one of those Mickey Mouse pulls. And we have another outlet here, as well as an outlet for the hair dryer that they include in the room. On the other side of the bed, we have an alarm clock that is set to the ship's time, and they do maintain that while you're on the ship. There are a couple USB outlets on the alarm clock. There's also another wall outlet underneath and 2 more USB outlets. So lots of places to power up your devices here in this room. And then we have our little dining room area. We have a small table with 4 chairs, a little fruit gift basket from Concierge, so that's really nice there. We've got a pretty picture of the sailboats up there on the wall. And then we have our veranda. We've got to go check this out. So we're gonna head out here on the veranda. It is one large veranda all the way across the room. You can see we have a couple chairs and a small table here, and then 2 larger lounge chairs over on that side. A really good sized veranda, and if you do have a connecting stateroom, that one right next to us, they can open up the wall and you can connect both of the verandas. And the connecting door is right over there by that Murphy bed. So you can actually have connecting staterooms here in this suite. And that's going to conclude our tour of this 1-bedroom concierge suite on the Disney Fantasy.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And if you head over to the channel, you'll find lots of other stateroom tours on Disney Cruise Line and room tours around Walt Disney World and other Disney resorts around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.